Hi, this is Umar and welcome again to Building Information Modeling or BIM video series. In today's video, we will also talk about another myth about BIM, that BIM is slow. Well, many people think that BIM is slow, but to analyze this situation, we'll have to take a look at some of the major industrial issues. Also, we'll have to see what BIM offers us to rectify them. So, let's begin. You can also follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You are watching BIM video series. Number 1. Slow start issue. Using the traditional ways, one of the biggest issue is slow start because of lack of BIM data, planning, management, and most of the other things related to the project are not properly streamlined in early stage as it should be, which makes you start slower. On the other hand, it is BIM only which has the best solution for this issue. Number 2. Collaboration issue. In traditional ways, collaboration is very poor because we don't have a good base and required data for better collaboration. While in BIM, because of availability of data and models, we can collaborate between all the disciplines and can detect and solve most of the upcoming issues before going to execution even, like communication, planning, safety, clashes, and so on. Again, this is BIM only providing the best solutions for this issue. Number 3. Accuracy issue. In traditional ways, accuracy is also a big challenge because of lack of rich data along with BIM models is not there, which makes collaboration almost impossible, and thus accuracy appears to be as an issue. On the other hand, in BIM, with the incorporation of BIM models, data, and with the power of collaboration, we can achieve high level of accuracy to fasten up the construction process and receives accurate schedules, BOQs, references, drawings, construction, operation, and facility management data and other required details accurately. So this is only BIM which has the power to tackle this issue. Number 4. Risk-related issues. In construction process, using traditional ways, we are on risk at every second because of lack of data, graphical and non-graphical. Also, lack in operation safety capabilities. Even we don't have much details to detect these risks at early stage. This is only BIM which tackles this issue at its best by providing us fire and safety modeling capabilities for public safety, asset management and BIM modeling benefits to enhance operational safety, minimize construction risks by reviewing complex details or procedures before going to site. Again, for this issue, BIM is the only solution. Number 5. Rework issues. Traditional ways require a lot of rework because of lack of multidisciplinary inputs and the absence of BIM models. Many interface issues occurs. While in BIM, We have multidisciplinary checks even before going to execution. The model also enables new and existing assets to be integrated seamlessly and saves a lot of rework in terms of both design and execution. Again, less rework is one of the major benefits from BIM. Number 6. Planning issues. In traditional ways, lack of BIM model means lack of accurate data, and so less accurate information leads to poor planning. But in BIM, with the digital data, we can do complex planning in better way, results in better planning, which is only possible by implementation of BIM. So, where is the solution? It actually lies within BIM. Number 7. Waste issues. Traditionally, in the absence of BIM, exact quantity takeoffs are not available, and so over material ordered situation is always there. Lack of precise program scheduling results delayed delivery of materials and equipment, increasing potential for damage. The situation leads to every $1 as a waste from 3. But on the other hand, with the power of BIM, situation is totally different. In BIM environment, material orders, quantities, program and scheduling is always at its best. Automated fabrication of equipment and components enables more efficient material handling, management and waste recovery. Again, BIM is the only solution we have to tackle this issue. Number 8. Sustainability issues. Using traditional ways, sustainability is a big challenge. In absence of BIM, it's very difficult to perform certain type of analysis like energy, lightning, wind roses, and many others accurately. While BIM gives us chance to perform and achieve sustainability in a variety of ways, and with sustainability, we save energy and lifespan of building. This leads to huge cut up in building, operation and life cycle cost. But in traditional ways, the case is opposite. So it is BIM actually offering the solution. Number 9. Building life cycle issue. In traditional ways, building life cycle is again as one of the biggest issues, as because of non-existence of digitized BIM model and lack of data, it's almost impossible. On the other hand, BIM is fully equipped to handle this situation and is found to be very efficient, as BIM comes with the major and minor details of the project, including sustainability capabilities. This makes building life cycle easier than ever. So again, it is the BIM offering the solution for this issue in a practical and verified manners. Number 10. Delayed project delivery issue. In traditional ways, with the presence of all described issues, the situation leads to delay in project delivery and thus increase in cost. But with the power of BIM, you can achieve the state of fast project delivery and a huge cut up in cost. So, as per analysis, experiment, practical implementation and experience, it is found to be that BIM is not slow in any of the manners, but BIM is the solution of industrial problems at its best. And if any of the way BIM is making you slow, then it simply means that problem is somewhere inside your organization and you need to have some experienced BIM team.